Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So today's video, another Teespring tutorial. Thanks so much to everyone who keeps liking the video, subscribing and commenting down below. Please do that after this video as well. I love engaging with you guys. I'm loving this. I'm loving to build this up. It's been so cool. Please keep engaging with the content. So anyway, today's video. How do you get found on the Teespring marketplace? What do you do to get more exposure on the Teespring marketplace? This is a common question, and I've got 3 tips for you guys on how to do SEO in your title and description, so make sure you stay to the end. Alright guys, so let's touch on the keywords and what I'm about to show you with these 3 examples. So we're actually going to dive on the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how 3 of these are used with 3 that I've pulled up. So what I'm talking about with keywords is keywords are words that people are searching for. So you'll see this on Google. This is exactly, for example, with me building my website at the moment, BodieDavison.com. You'll see that I've written a lot of articles on there about things that I want to rank for on Google. So there's a lot of dropshipping articles, there's some print-on-demand articles. These are all things that I know a lot about and can write about. And then I also want to rank my site about because I want to be higher up in the search ranking over time. So SEO on Teespring, you want to have keywords in your description. You can have up to 40 characters in your title, 40 in your title. And you want them to be specific about things that people are searching for. There is 3 different ways to do this, and I'll cover that in a second when I show you these examples. But you got 40 characters, so you want to have that without being spam, like you don't want to spam your listing at all. And then your description, you have, I think it's up to 1,500 words, which most people aren't going to use, especially when you're uploading so many shirt designs like I suggest. You're not always going to do that, but again, I'll show you different ways that people do this and ways that you can cram keywords in but make it come across naturally. So these keywords will help you rank higher when people are searching for that term on a shirt or that term at all, and then you'll show up because you have so many keywords and you rank higher in the search algorithm. Okay guys, so we have 3 examples, or I have 3 examples pulled up for you to look through here. So the first one is, obviously you guys now know that I have a chocolate Labrador who I love. And anyway, so this is a quick and easy one for me to search up. But I put in, I love, what did I put? I love my Labrador. This shirt was one of the first ones to come up. It's not even a nice shirt, if you ask me. It looks horrible. But anyway, it's ranking highly in the search terms, and that's what this video is about. So as you can see here, we've got, I love my chocolate Labrador t-shirt. So really stuffing some keywords in there that are very specific about the chocolate lab and Labrador as well in the same thing. I love my chocolate Labrador. Then as you can see in the description, this is some real keyword, what I would call stuffing. And this is borderline spam, but it has showed up in the search ranking. So there's not much I can say bad about it. So I love my chocolate Labrador. He's put it in there again. So that's 2 so far. 3 chocolate Labrador, 4. Let's have a look here. How many more? And then covering like dog mom. There's 5. So chocolate lab again, just there. Dog owner, black labs. So then there's heaps of keyword stuffing down the bottom here as well. Labrador shirt. So this person has gone for my first example, which is keyword stuffing. So the only problem with doing this is it can be considered spam and it can actually negatively affect your listing. So this is almost over the top, but it's obviously working on this listing because it was one of the first t-shirts that showed up in the search. So I can't really say anything too bad about it, like I said. So that's one example. That's what I would call keyword stuffing. And the only thing with keyword stuffing like this, if you're going to do that, you really need to make it, like write it out like he has here into, so it makes sense. You can't just stuff all the keywords. With Teespring, you used to have hashtags, and them hashtags, you would have all of these down the bottom in the hashtags, but they don't do that anymore. So that's example 1, guys. The second one here is I love my cat, and I just wanted to show you how this one was mapped out. So this is all I searched, I love my cat. And then as you can see here, there's not that much stuff here. So they've just gone with I love my cat, but down here, this is one way that people like to list their listings. And so then they've gone for all the keywords down here. So cat shirt, cat funny shirts, cat t-shirts, funny cat shirts. I don't know why they've bothered putting coffee lover t-shirt in there. Cat lover, cat tanks. I'm not sure why they're putting coffee shirts in there. And then they've actually put some hashtags on there, and they've even put hashtag boosted because they're probably trying to get on the boosted network, obviously. But yeah, so that's another way of doing it. So there's not that many words. So this is a 1500 description you could be using, and they're only using that many. So that's example number 2, pretty basic. And then this is number 3. So I put in the term happy wife, happy life. And then this was the second one from the top. And I just wanted to show you this one as well. This is a very plain way of doing it. So happy wife, happy life, husband, tank. And then happy wife, happy life, husband, tank. And then there's no other keywords here. But what they've gone for here, and this is my next example, is that they've gone for something that'll go viral. So you can do titles like this, and then that's the name of the shirt. And then if this is getting shared on social media, this is the type of term, the type of saying that is more likely to go viral, and it's very shareable. So when you're doing designs like this, you're really thinking of things that are gonna prompt people to tag their friends or share it, or mainly tag their friends and share it, because that's how it's going to go viral. So that's the sort of search term that they're going to have, is going to be something that's got a very viral effect around it, or trying to be viral. So it's going to be little quirky sayings like this that's going to be targeted towards certain people that are going to be interested in it. So if they were doing paid ads, they will be targeting newlyweds, things like that, or just wives. There's a lot of different ways you can do Facebook targeting, but they will be targeting specific people. If you're on Instagram and you were following people and stuff and trying to get them to follow you back, and you had this sort of tags going on, you would be following people that follow pages that are interested in, like, happy wife, things like that. You'd be able to search that out, guys. So you just have to do some work. You'd have to search some hashtags about, happy wife, happy life, things like that, and find people that are in there, and then use them hashtags so people find your store and find your shirts. So that's my 3 for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's what it's all about with keyword ranking, how to get discovered on Teespring Marketplace. Obviously, you need to make them first initial sales, like I've talked about with the trust score. It's in the other videos. And verify your payment information before you can get onto the Teespring Marketplace. Then once you're on there, you can use these different tactics to get your SEO in place and help you get discovered and found on the Teespring Marketplace. So thanks so much for watching. Everyone, I cannot thank you enough for the comments and the likes and the subscribers. I am loving building this up. Let's keep it going. I'm posting a video a day. Stay tuned for more.